First of all, you have to select the razor tool and cut the last part of your audio, and then right click on your last part audio clip and click on Nest and OK. Now double click on this nested audio part, and then from project panel click on this new item and add black video. Click on OK and drag the black video layer above the audio clip and increase the black video length just like this. After that, go back to your main sequence and go to effects and search here reverb and add this Studio Reverb effect to your nested audio clip. Then select the nested audio clip, go to effect controls, click on edit next to custom setup, and here you have to increase this decay to maximum ms and then increase this audio length just like this, and that's it. Here we can see the final result.